Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a chair that is so amazing. I wanted to show you the bubble wrap and the tape that it comes with. This is all compostable and it's going to be gone in 1 year. Came in a very sturdy corrugated cardboard box. Also, that will be compostable as well. And it is made with FSC certified bamboo, which is renewable. So this chair is all the things and is amazing. This holds up to 330 pounds. I love that you can collapse it. It's like the most beautiful folding chair I have ever seen. It comes with these little socks, I'm going to call them. These go on to the feet of the chair. These have little pads on them, so this will keep your floors looking great. So let's slip these pads on. Okay, let's open it up. Very comfortable and perfect for having around your house when you need extra seating for parties. Let's take some close-up looks. This chair is so amazing. I love that it is lightweight and space-saving, so comfortable and breathable. You have that curved backrest that makes it extra comfortable even when it's really hot. It's crafted from sustainably sourced bamboo, which is FSC certified, and even has recyclable metal hardware. Everything with the packaging is compostable. This has enhanced durability with 3 coats of finish, so it's going to be scratch resistant, weather durable, and it has that beautiful glossy appearance. It's timeless, it's elegant. I love it and think that you're going to too. Definitely check out the links. Highly recommend.